Hi guys, Larissa at Practical Pieces here. It's Trash to Treasure Tuesday on my blog, and that's where my blogger friends and I get together each month to share a makeover with you. I will invite you over. It's really fun to see all these things each month. So head to practicalpieces.com to see what I'm up to today and what my blogger friends have for you too. Today I'm going to be doing this chair. I love this chair to pieces. I actually found it on the curb probably about 6 years ago and have paired it with other desks over the years. I'll show you some pictures here of how I repaired it. There was really nothing wrong with it. But my kids have seen to demolishing it some more. The vinyl is cracking and peeling, as you see in the pictures. But the green paint was just something I fell in love with. It was also missing a caster. I put a generic one in for now. But now I'm ready to replace the casters for something that suits my hardwood floors. We've been working in the family room here, remodeling, not done yet, so we'll show you that when we're all done. But this is my area of the room where I pretty much use this as my sewing desk, but I also use it in the early morning when I'm working on my computer doing different things. But then one time I found this desk at the thrift store, 40 bucks. This steamer desk here, it's this gorgeous green that matches my chair perfectly. It was totally a match made in heaven, I call it. I even have a post about that. My goal today is to replace the upholstery here. I have not done an industrial chair like this before, so I'm kind of curious how it's going to work. It's got some clips that I've not been able to find over the years, but I think I found something that's going to work. And I'm hoping to recover it with some leather. So stay tuned and I'll show you what I'm up to. Well guys, I'm excited. It actually was pretty easy considering I expected a lot more trouble. I didn't even need the clips that I purchased to put on it because I could reuse the old ones, even though I reinforced with the old ones just in case, because you swish around on your seat, you pull and tug. I'd rather be extra cautious. It's not perfect by any means, but it's mine, it's done, and much more comfortable than those cracks scratching your bottom. Funny thing is, I had saved this leather from my previous project where my husband built the bench and I upholstered it. We worked on it together. I'll show you a picture. I was actually saving the leather for myself to make a bag. I love to make purses, and even though I don't really carry them often, they're really fun to make, and especially to create my own. So I got a chair now. I'm all right. I still have enough scrap. I might be able to do something with it for myself, but I hope you enjoyed this. I hope that you learned some things, maybe about how to recover, and maybe just to be inspired to try something like this on your own. You never know until you try, and most of upholstery work is taking apart and putting it back the way you found it. So taking pictures along the way and writing things down are key to learning something like this. Feel free to ask questions down below. I'd love for you to subscribe to my blog where I give all sorts of DIYs and tutorials that aren't here on YouTube. Or if you're on my blog, subscribe to YouTube. I have videos there for you to peruse. I'd love to hear feedback. Would you have done something different in the fabric sense? Done another vinyl, a different kind of fabric, a canvas or something? I went with leather because I had it and I knew it'd be durable for what goes on in my house. But either way, let me know what you think. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, Larissa at Prodigal Pieces. Bye!